So this is Annabelle. She is a 9-year young lab. And you can tell she really loves her treats. She gotta be gentle. Yeah. And she was just diving in the water to get her ball. That's why she's a little wet looking. Yeah. You like to dive in the water bowl to get your ball, huh? What a good girls. So Annabelle has been a little bit nervous here in the shelter. So when you come in and visit with her, she's better outside. She relaxes and takes a little bit more time to get used to you because you're a stranger, but she does a lot better outside. So when you come and see her inside, don't hold that against her. Ask to take her out here and enjoy her out here. Yeah, well, she can relax a little bit. Can you sit? That's a good sit. Good girls. Can you shake? Can you shake? Yeah, can you shake? Oh, that's a good girls. You're very gentle there. That was good. But because she is a little on the nervous side of a lab, we're recommending a home with no children and no cats because, you know, what lab doesn't like to chase small critters? Playing it safe, saying no kitties in the house. She just got spayed, so we don't want her running around too much. She's about a week out on her spay that she just had. So about another week she should be good to go. But she is ready for adoption right now. Huh, baby girls? Yeah. Can you sit again? Sit. Oh, you sit so nicely. Good job. Okay, shake. Come on. Oh, the good girls. So this little guy, he is about 1.5 years old, and he is not neutered yet, but before he leaves here, he will be neutered. Look this way. See the camera? Yeah. Good boy. And he is a Staffordshire Terrier mix. Yeah. And he looks pretty much like a puppy and acts a lot like a puppy because he's full of energy. But he does have a very loving side, as you can tell. Yeah. Came in with some skin issues. He's got mites, so we're treating him for that. And his skin's starting to heal. What are you seeing, huh? Yeah. Look right there. Show everybody how handsome you are. Yeah. Oh, the good boy. And Jeremiah. So he's a very playful guy. He will definitely need some exercise daily. Burn off some of that energy. You want to chase a ball? Like that. Go get it. You don't quite bring it back, but you like to play with it, don't you? What do you got? Yeah. You're just a bouncy little doggy, aren't you? Yeah. Good boy. So he is a small guy. Yeah. That's what makes him look like a puppy, huh? You're self-entertaining, aren't you? Yes, can you come up? This is Sterling. He is a Dotson. Yeah. Good boy. Oops, I think you dropped it. Let me get you another one. Stay up there. Can you sit? Good sit. Yeah. And Sterling is already neutered, so he is ready to go home. Are you a dancer? Can you dance? Up, up. Oh, good balance. Up, up. Yeah. You got some talent, huh, Sterling? Stay right here. So, you're very treat motivated, huh? Yeah. Good boy.
Sterling, my man, where you going?
Come get it. Can you jump that? Want to come around? Oh, you're smart. Come on up. Come on up. Up, 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 up. Right here. Right there. Oh, good boy. You sit. Good boy. Can you shake? You know shake? Can you shake? Nope, you don't know that one, huh? Oh, I'm sure you could learn it pretty quick, huh? Yeah. You know, focus on the camera. Good boy, Sterling. Yeah, let me fix your little ear. There you go. What is that, huh? Get it? Do you want to come up? Can you come up? Oh, look at that balance. Good boy, Sterling. Good boy. Yeah.
Do the trick one more time.
Can you come up? Come this way. There you go. Oh, it's a good spin. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah. He's a very sweet boy. You can see he knows sit very well. He knows up, up, up. Oh, it's a good boy. Good spin move. Oh, good boy. And he sit. We don't know if he's good around cats or not. We don't have a way of testing that. So he is a little scared of other dogs, so we're recommending a home with no other dogs. And we're recommending a home with children age 9 and above. You're very treat motivated, aren't you? Look at that. He spin? Oh, it's a good spin move. Good job, Sterling. Yeah. So this is Daisy, and she is a hound. Yes. And she's pretty young. She's about 1.5 to 2 years old. What do you smell? Did you find that treat? Oh, there's another one. Can you sit? Sit. Oh, it's a good sit. Good sit, Daisy. And Daisy, we're recommending just because she's a big bouncy dog. Children that are over 13 years old. And no cats in the house. And if you do have another dog at home, come in for a dog-to-dog meet and greet. Yeah, see how they interact. You're very gentle-mouthed, aren't you? Yeah, what a good girl you are. So she does know some basic commands. Can you sit? Sit. Oh, it's a good sit. You shake too, huh? Yeah. I think you're just pawing at me, aren't you? You got yuckies in your eyes. Let me get that out. Yeah. You sit? Huh? I know. You just want to play. You're just very playful, aren't you? Come on out of the shadows. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Good girls. Okay, sit. No, sit. Sit. Shush. Okay, this puppy just came in today, which is March 19th, and it is a black lab, flat-coated retriever, and it is about 7 years old. Yeah, it looks like we might have some owner information on it. Looks like the dog's name is May. So if you recognize May, please let the owners know that the dog is here. And it will be stray hold until the 27th. Hey, May, you want a treat? Yeah. You're a good girl, huh? Yeah. Hopefully we get you back to your owner soon, huh? So this little guy is about 8 years old, and we have named it Merlin. It is fairly new to the shelter. And it is, they have it in as a Beagle Dachshund mix. Yeah. Yeah, they're good babies. You look a little more like a Chihuahua mix. Oh, look at you know how to bag. Good job. Look at that good balance. Good job, Merlin. Good job, Merlin. Yeah. Oh, look at that balance. How long can you hold that pose, huh? As long as it takes for a treat. Wow, you could walk on those back legs, couldn't you? Wow, that was impressive. Good job, little guy. That was a good 20 seconds last time, huh? Yeah. Good job, Merlin. Yeah. So at first he's a little standoffish to strangers, but he does warm up pretty good, pretty quick. Yeah, good job. What do you see? What do you see? You like to show off, huh? Look at that. Someone trained you to stand up like that, huh? Yeah. Those are good treats. Really? There you go. Good job, Merlin. Hold the treat up and you go right up. Yeah. Do you know sit? Nope, it's up, right? One pose for you. You sit?
Good.
Oh, there's a good sit. I figured you must know sit, huh? Put you in a circus, huh? Yeah. What a good boy. There you go. Good job.
Good boy, Merlin.
He sit? He sit? Oh, yes, good job. Give you a little rest there, huh?